Tacos, tacos for my first time. Taco truck right here. Tacos. Taqueria. About to try some of his tacos. 5 tacos. Literally. Tacos, more tacos is no joke. Taco. All right, guys, so we're back for tacos. Tacos are here, and
right.
taco. Want to get tacos? Flame tacos. Get tacos right here. 8 beef tacos. Tacos. Still a good deal. The taco. Taco. Here's the tacos, guys. Tacos. We could get tacos. We got tacos. Taqueria. I'm pretty sure I butchered the name. Taco experience. So there's actually tacos. Gonna get some churros. Tacos.
There it is.
Tacos. Taco video. Can't have tacos. Tacos. The best tacos. So this right here, tacos. 20 tacos. 6 tacos. You can't complain about that. Tacos pretty messy. Taco cops. Too many tacos. You know, tacos right here. Tacos at the taco stand. And then tacos. Grab our tacos. Time for taco out there. Taco right here. Cheers. Tacos. I've had a lot of tacos, but tacos I've definitely had. Tacos. There's tacos. Tacos are bomb. Again, in conclusion, tacos. We're about to go get some tacos at tacos, guys. Tacos to replenish our energy. Tacos. So we got the tacos right here. Tacos are fire. Tacos. They don't break the bank. Tacos are amazing.